ridiculous.
His eye is open. Hi, Forrest.
Look at my baby.
He's feeling really sleepy after a day at Pet Suite.
Yeah. He's hanging out.
Where's your ear?
Are you digging for his ear? Okay, don't show everybody his wiener.
Showing his whole body.
Yeah, he's big. Give me a kiss.
The chest cavity is humongous.
You want to take a better look? Okay.
You can see your little snaggle tooth.
He says, alright, that's enough. I've had enough.
No.
Jeez, why don't you get it inside his nose?
You look like Puff the Magic Dragon.
Same. Gross, you can see his heart beating in his lip.